Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start eBay dropshipping with Doba Pilot AI. Really powerful video. All you need to do, follow along step by step. I'm going to show you how to do eBay dropshipping, and it's literally going to be powered with AI that is built exactly for the needs of a dropshipper. This isn't ChatGPT or anything like this. This is AI with Doba Pilot, built exactly for dropshippers. And I'm going to teach you how to do it the exact right way. And when you go ahead and start an eBay dropshipping business, you're going to have a lot of requirements. You need to do product research, right? You need to find those winners. You need to compare suppliers to make sure that you get great pricing. You need to complete detailed listings to make sure that you're always in compliance with how eBay wants you to show products on their site. You need to calculate prices. You need to understand all the different marketplace rules. There's dozens and dozens of them. And you need to understand what type of products to sell to make money, right? And basically, I'm going to show you how all of this can be taken care of with Doba Pilot. Doba Pilot is an AI assistant built exactly for dropshipping. And basically, all those steps that I just mentioned, product research, comparing suppliers, completing listings, pricing, etc., all of those steps get connected through Doba Pilot, because it's going to be able to help you find those winning products. It's going to help you prepare eBay listings. It's going to complete all the item specifics needed for those eBay listings to work inside of the requirements of eBay. Right? You don't need to become a marketplace expert here, because Doba Pilot is an expert at things like preparing eBay listings and completing the specifics. We'll even be able to answer business-specific questions all about eBay dropshipping. And I'm going to go over the shoulder in this video to show you exactly how this works. You see the link below this video. We'll jump into Doba Pilot in a second. But first, what is eBay dropshipping? You might be familiar with, Shopify dropshipping or Wix dropshipping. It's basically the same idea. We're going to list a product on eBay without purchasing it, without storing it, without, ordering it up front, without taking any risk on it at all. All we're going to do is list a product on eBay. And in fact, Doba Pilot's going to do most of this work for us using that AI. Once an order happens on eBay, the approved wholesale supplier fulfills it, right? And well, how does that happen? Well, again, through Doba, right? Doba is that dropship supplier. They have over 1 million products that ship directly from the US. So we know we're always going to get that fast shipping to make sure we always get positive eBay feedback. Doba's going to ship the product directly to your eBay customer. So you never even need to touch the product. Right, you're going to be responsible for things like inventory accuracy and delivery, returns, customer service, and basically the entire buyer experience is handled by your supplier. That's why it's so important to have Doba Dropshipping as your supplier. They're the number one option when it comes to dropshipping, and whether you're doing Shopify, Wix, TikTok Shop, or eBay, as I'm going to show you in this video, you need to be using Doba Dropshipping. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you more. You're looking at Doba.com. Again, link directly below this video, and I'll show you more about Doba Pilot in a second. But if you want to build your dream dropshipping business, you need to use Doba. Over 1.3 million products based in the US. You're going to get fast shipping that's going to allow you to build that long-term successful brand. You could build and stock a store with AI with that Doba Pilot. 20 plus years of experience. Doba is just the industry leader. The expertise here is off the charts when it comes to drop shipping, and they have 24/7 dedicated support, so you're always in good hands. And there's over 3 million drop shippers using Doba because, like I said, they're the number one option. Over $6 billion in sales. Right, and there's Doba Pilot. I'm going to show you this over the shoulder. It's going to help you do everything you need for eBay, but there's so much other features with Doba, like that top US-based inventory. 90% of those products stocked in the US, which means fast shipping. You get expert product selection. In fact, you could do all of your product research right inside of Doba Pilot. Find those hot-selling products for your eBay store. You'll have real-time inventory sync, so you always know what your inventory levels are. Make sure that your products are always in stock. And literally, it works for all of these huge platforms. eBay is what we're talking about here, but if you have a Shopify store or a TikTok shop or a Wix store, you'll be able to use Doba Dropshipping there as well. Great support at every stage, tons and tons of successful dropshippers using Doba. It's really got everything that you need. And you see over here, Doba Pilot, right? And you got this 7-day trial. If you use the link below this video, it's going to get you for 99 cents that 7-day Doba Pilot trial with 30 pilot credits. You're going to be able to do all that you need, everything I'm going to show you in this video here for your eBay store. So again, link directly below this video. Start your 99-cent trial. You'll be able to follow along step by step with me. We're going to go over the shoulder inside my account, and I'll show you how this works for eBay dropshipping. With eBay dropshipping automated through Doba, you'll literally be able to start an automatic eBay dropshipping business with this really, really powerful integration. All you need to do inside your Doba account, go over here into doba.com/integration/eBay and click Connect My Store Now. You're also able to access this inside of your Doba account right under Stores. And you might have added your Shopify store or another storefront, Wix, right over here in this area. What we're going to do now is come over here and click Connect a New Store. You see that there are different store options over here, right? Of course, we have Shopify, we have Wix, we have eBay, TikTok Shop, BigCommerce, Walmart, right? Other abilities to connect as well. We're going to now select Connect under eBay. So we simply click the Connect. We're going to go over here and we're going to create our store name. So I'll call this Justin's eBay Store. Click Connect. We're going to have this right over here now. Going to bring us over to connect our eBay account. So it's bringing us back right over into eBay. You'll make sure, of course, you have an eBay account and that you're logged in. When you are, you're able to come over here and click Agree and Continue. This is basically connecting us between Doba and our eBay account. Nothing else that you need to do, nothing technical. It's now ready to go. You see Store connected successfully. You're able to configure store settings right over here under store settings. For example, your business policies over here, and you have different inventory rules, order rules, pricing rules, where you can set things automatically. You see we have a 20% increase, 1.2. I'm going to go to 1.5%. Basically, we're going to go 1.5 times the original price. So we'll get some really solid profit margins. You see different countries that we're going to ship to. We're just going to select United States, but you could ship to other countries as well. You want to make sure that you always save your settings as well. So now that we have our eBay account connected, it's just like having any other store integrated with Doba. We're now able to do the good stuff, right? We can come over here and go into searching products. And I'll, of course, go into cats because that's my go-to. I love searching here, but feel free to search through all the different ways that you could find amazing products inside of the Doba catalog. For example, they have all these different categories you can go through, right? Home and garden, beauty, outdoor, right? The list goes on. Pets, of course, electronics, all these different items right inside here. You can go and then narrow down into specific niche categories. This is really great if you want to stay inside one specific category. They also have different curated sections. For example, TikTok Shop selections. These are products that are trending right now on TikTok Shop, the hottest products on TikTok Shop. We can go ahead and add them into our, for example, eBay shop. Right? You see Temu selections. These are products that are hot on Temu. And you see other selections here. Products with videos, top ranking products, high profit products, new arrivals. You can do products that ship from the US. And again, 90% of the inventory from Doba ship directly from the USA. So what you really want to do is just basically find great products and add them to your inventory list. You see over here, add to inventory list. You can click on any product. You'll see all of the detail about that product. It pops up on the product detail page. You see all the images, the title, the description, and of course the price. This is showing us that it's going to cost us $16.68. Recommends that we sell it at $35, so we can make almost a $20 profit every single time we sell it. See, it's got free shipping from the United States, comes from New Jersey, so you're going to get 3 to 5 day US shipping time. That's amazing, right? That's exactly how you build a long-term eBay business when you have great products that ship from the US with great pricing. And when we're interested in this product, we simply click Add to Inventory List. This allows us to add it to our inventory list. We could even categorize it if we want. We're just going to go ahead and add it to our inventory list. And that's kind of what you want to do. You look through all the different products, you add them to your inventory list. And then when you're in your inventory list, you see all of the different products that you're interested in. Here's the one that we just added, right? This stainless steel cutting board. When we come over here, we can click this product. We're going to click List to Store. It's going to ask us which store we want to connect to, right? I already have my Shopify store in here, so I'll select my eBay store. Here you see we're going to, of course, select United States. If you're doing an automotive product, you select United States Motors. So United States, click Continue. What's going to happen now is this is the actual listing. We're not going to have to go back into eBay and copy and paste anything. We're going to send directly from Doba into eBay. And all we need to do is basically fill out the information that's necessary for eBay. Of course, things like product title, category, and you see that it's going to find the recommended category automatically for you. Let's say you don't like this title. No problem. We could use the AI optimizer. It could update the target fields, whether it's the product name or the product description. We'll click optimize. It's going to give us options for a brand new title. And we see we're going to go, I like this one down here, the all-in-one. I'll click apply selection. You see that the AI listing optimizer has updated my title. So really, really powerful. I love how Doba integrates AI thoughtfully throughout the process. So again, we'll just kind of go through all these things here. We want to make sure everything is filled in. You could even use the AI optimizer here to fill in all empty fields here to just make things go a lot smoother. And you'll able to have this in here. Want to verify that. Makes sense. So we'll verify that that looks good. Come over here to the description. You see that this is pulled automatically. It even has some nice images here. So you can feel free to edit this. Maybe you want to add some formatting, right? You can make it bold, or maybe you want to underline some things. Again, you could have AI optimizer come in here and rewrite everything if you want to do that as well. Now we have different variants over here. So this is going to be where we set our pricing, right? And remember, we wanted to set at 1.5 times the retail price, but this product told us in the product detail page that the recommended price is $35. So I'm going to come right over here and go to $35 right in these options. You see we have different varying profit margins depending on the actual cost. Over here, I'm going to update this so our compare at price is higher than our sale price, of course. Now we have our images over here. You know, we could only have 12 images per SKU, so we're going to basically select the first 12 for each of these if there are more, but it looks like we have under 12, so we're good to go there. For listing policies, you just set up your listing policy over here. You'll want to set this inside of your eBay account. Really easy to do that. You can just click check here over here. It's going to give you the instructions. You might already have this in your eBay account. If not, it's basically just creating a default payment option, shipping option, and return option. So now that we have all that done, we'll just review over here. We got our product, our description, our variants with our pricing, our images, our listing policy. We're now ready to click List Now. Click List Now over here. Literally, this product is now being added into our eBay store. Right? We don't need to copy and paste anything or right-click save and organize images or take something from Doba and bring it over to eBay.com. All that is happening automatically in the background. You see right now it's being listed on eBay. So I'll be able to show you this listing in just about a minute, and you'll see that this product is live. And again, any of the products that we put on our inventory list from Doba's catalog can now be added directly into our eBay account. And once an order happens on eBay, it will showcase over here on My Orders, and Doba will take care of the fulfillment. They'll ship the product right to the customer. You won't need to even lift a finger. And just like that, our product is ready to go. You see the different images that we have over here as well. The different images get sent down. We scroll down here, we'll see our product description as well, right? We bolded some stuff, we underlined some stuff. We got the images on board over here, all added directly through Doba Dropshipping. And as you see, literally, those high quality images get sent over. There's our price tag as well. I mean, it couldn't be any simpler. We now have this listing ready to go. And anytime someone buys this product, this stainless steel prep board, again, it's going to show up inside of our Doba account right here in orders right here. And literally, they'll then be able to have everything set up and fulfilled by Doba. Everything is integrated here with our eBay store. It couldn't be any easier. So that was Doba Pilot. And as you can see, if you want to do eBay dropshipping, this is a must-have. It is the best way to do eBay dropshipping because you basically get to do all the work with Doba Pilot and have the AI do everything that you used to have to do yourself. Highly, highly recommended. See the link directly below this video. You could jump in to this 7-day 99-cent trial. You get 30 Pilot credits. You can cancel at any time. It's also going to come with the first month at 50% off. It's $19.99, and that $19.99 price tag is for new and existing users as well. So it's a really, really great deal. You can get it by clicking that link below this video. If you have any questions whatsoever about Doba or Doba Pilot or eBay dropshipping, make sure you drop a comment below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But I hope this video helps you make some money. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more great e-com videos and more great Doba Pilot videos. But most importantly, I'll see ya in my next vidya.